Set up in 1974, Rites Limited is a Government of India enterprise of consultants, engineers and project managers operating in all sectors of transportation and infrastructure. With a multidisciplinary team of 1,200 professionals, Rites is an ISO certified company and has operated in 55 countries. It has been rated as excellent for the 12th year in succession by the Department of Public Enterprises, Government of India. The company was set up under the aegis of the Ministry of Railways, and the railway continues to be its core sector. In this area, Rites operations and services cover all aspects, from concept to commissioning, operations and maintenance, technical and management support. Some recent and ongoing services include O&M assignments in Bangladesh and Tanzania and a dozen Indian locations. Technical and management support to railway systems in Colombia, Mozambique and Malawi. Consultancy services in Malaysia for design, construction supervision and electrification of rail network. Computer-aided design support for signalling and electrification of West Coast Main Line in UK. Consultancy services for the railways of Uzbekistan, Kenya and Jordan. In the past, Rites has successfully undertaken complete O&M railway systems in Nigeria and Iraq, and more recently in Botswana Railways. In addition, technical and management support was extended to a large number of railway systems. Integrated export packages. Rites is providing total export packages consisting of locomotives, rolling stock equipment and spares, leasing, technical assistance programs, transfer of technology, rehabilitation and maintenance, and workshop consultancy. Assignments include export of locomotives and rolling stock, including spares. Major orders include supply of locomotives to Vietnam, Bangladesh, Myanmar and Sri Lanka. Leasing of 10 locomotives to Tanzania since 1998. Executing BOT contract in Bangladesh for conversion of non-AC passenger cars to AC. Rehabilitation of 200 freight wagons in Tanzania. Workshop consultancy in Sri Lanka, Bangladesh and Zambia. Setting up and commissioning new workshop facilities for locomotive maintenance in Iran. Technical assistance in providing rolling stock experts in Malaysia, Cambodia and Tunisia. Customizing design requirements of locomotives with development of BG locomotives with shorter wheelbase for Sri Lanka. Dual cab locomotives for Bangladesh and MG 2300 HP locomotive for Malaysia. Supply and rehabilitation of locos for Sudan Railways. Supply of spares of rolling stock to Egypt, Iraq, Sudan, Sri Lanka, Greece, Kenya, etc. Privatization and concessioning projects. Privatization and award of concessions are newly emerging components of infrastructure consultancy. Rites has secured a concession for the Beira Rail Corridor system in Mozambique. Rites is the lead partner for this concession in consortium with IRCON International and the Mozambique Railways. Rites is member of a consortium which has been awarded the concession for running the Atlantic Line in Colombia and for maintenance of rolling stock. Rites has submitted a 20-year perspective plan for private sector participation to reinvigorate Sri Lanka Railways.